Hello everyone, this is Sindhura Velamurthy, currently working as Quality Assurance Officer at Lila Nutraceuticals. Prior to this, I did my bachelor's and master's in pharmacy from VIPW. The well-designed curriculum with equal weightage for both theory and practicals helped me gain the required skill set for the industry. Apart from the academics, the college encourages us to participate in extra and co-curricular activities that I'd call as edutainment, where education meets the entertainment, which helps for the overall development of the student. Finally, I'd like to thank every faculty member for emboldening me and also for being a constant inspiration. So guys, if you're looking for a place to experience the joy of education, VIPW is the right choice.
Hi, this is Tejashwi Bogarappu and I'm an alumni of Vijay Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for Women, Department of Pharmaceutics. Currently, I'm working as a medical coder with Episodes Private Limited. I should be so proud being a student of VIPW. I should thank all my faculty who are so friendly and supportive. No doubt they are having a sound knowledge on the subject. We are having a good infrastructure laboratories which are so helpful for innovative practical workouts. Beyond the classroom learning and studies, we did a part of IPC conferences, industrial tours, medical camps. Even our college conducted many national and international workshops, which was so helpful to improve our subject knowledge. Even we are so glossed up by being trained on CPT and many more medical software courses such as CDM, SAS, Vigilance, which was so helpful for our placements. All this happened because of this loyal management and our lady boss K. Padmalata ma'am. I should be so fortunate to show my gratitude towards our college VIPW, and I'm wishing you all good luck to our prospective students and management.
Hi everyone, this is Alekya Gola. I am proud to say that I am a student of Vijay Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for Women. Here they provide an excellent knowledge on education, seminars, tours, sports, culturals, ragging free, and we are having a well infrastructured labs. Coming to our faculty, they are having a good knowledge on subject and they are very helpful. I am very thankful to our smart, dynamic, supportive, respectful, professional principal madam.
Hello everyone, this is Bindu Madhuri, a graduate from Vijay Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for Women. Our college will provide you the best career opportunities that will transform you as a best personality in the world of pharmacy. Our principal ma'am, Dr. K. Padmalata, she is very inspirational, supportive and caring personality and the best example of women empowerment. We have very well-knowledge faculty who are really enthusiastic to clear your thoughts and make you to take a right decisions toward future perspectives. Every year we used to have different kinds of workshops, Indian Pharmaceutical Congress, science fairs and international national workshops, and also different kinds of training programs like personality development, campus recruitment trainings, and also SAS and pharmacovigilance programs. I'm really thankful to show my gratitude towards my college. All I can say is to take the right step at right time. All the best.
Hi, I'm Mohammad Mehrunisa, alumni of Vijay Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for Women and currently working as an assistant professor in VIPW. So, Vijay Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for Women is more than a college to me, and it's a privilege to be connected with the Vijay Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for Women, and this is a place where I gain the knowledge which is the best needed for the survival in the world with confidence. Right from the day one of my admission in the Vijaya Pharmacy College, so the enthusiasm and the energy which I expected from the faculty is same throughout the 6 years, and here now what I am today, and because of the curriculum and the methodology adopted by the faculty members. So, I studied BPharm and MPharm both in the Vijay Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for Women throughout the 6 years of my journey in the studies. So, I never ever felt a single day as a stressful life where this institution will make the stress-free education. So, where we used to have the academic sports, cultural activities, and also the national and international workshops, where each and every student's talent will be appreciated, and I also can show you that appreciation which I got throughout the 6 years. These are my 6 years appreciation received from the institution, and also this is the institution where a single student will be monitored by the management and the faculty members. So where This institution make us to allow for the industrial tours and also the workshops conducted by the other colleges and the seminars and the other competitions also. So, apart from the studies, institution allows us to give the training on CRT in the third and fourth B form in the curriculum, as every student should be survive in the corporate life. And also, apart from the pharma related subjects, the software courses like SAS, CDM, pharmacovigilance the coaching will be provided by our institution. Vijaya Institute of Pharmaceutical Sciences for Women is an eminent college with good infrastructure and well equipped labs, where we used to do the innovations and creativities in our pharmaceutics research lab. This all will be not possible without our management support and encouragement, and also our beloved principal ma'am, Dr. K. Padmalata ma'am, and also the faculty members. So I immensely believe that the confidence is the thing which will do the great things in the life. That confidence is filled by this institution. So I wholeheartedly thank to my